Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the video unavailable. This content isn't available on YouTube error. So if a video won't play or keep showing this message, follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the three vertical dots. That's your menu button. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security on the top left side. Next, choose Third-Party Cookies and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube into it. When it shows up in the list, tap the trash icon next to it. This removes old stored data that might be causing the issue, which often fixes the issue instantly. Next, we're going to check your browser extensions. On the bottom left side, click on Extensions. Go through your extensions and turn them off one by one. Sometimes extensions can block a website by mistake. After turning them off, go back to YouTube and see if the video unavailable error is gone. If you're still getting the same message, don't worry, there's one more thing you can try. Open YouTube using a different browser. If it loads correctly, then you know the problem is coming from your original browser and not the website itself. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the video unavailable, this content isn't available on YouTube error on your browser, and watch your videos without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more quick fixes like this.